Welcome back to the channel Car Reviewpedia, where we break down the most impressive vehicles on the road. And today we are diving deep into the 2026 Prevost H3-45, a luxury coach that represents the absolute top tier of space, comfort, and engineering. If you have ever wondered what it feels like to travel in something closer to a private jet on wheels than a regular vehicle, this review is for you. The 2026 Prevost H3-45 immediately stands out with its commanding presence. Its tall stance and sleek, aerodynamic profile give it a powerful yet refined look. This is not just a bus or a motor coach, it is a platform trusted by some of the most exclusive custom motorhome builders in the world. The H3-45 is designed for those who demand maximum space, long-distance comfort, and unmatched road stability, whether for private luxury travel, executive transport, or high-end conversions. One of the biggest highlights of the H3-45 is space, and this starts with its signature high-deck design. The elevated passenger cabin allows for massive underfloor storage bays, which is a game changer. These bays are tall, wide, and incredibly versatile, capable of storing luggage, equipment, motorcycles, or custom-installed systems without compromising passenger comfort. Inside the cabin, that extra height translates into a more open and airy environment, making long journeys feel relaxed instead of cramped. Step inside, and the interior immediately feels premium and purposeful. The flat floor design enhances walkability, allowing passengers to move freely from front to rear without obstacles. The ceiling height is generous, even for taller passengers, adding to the sense of openness. Large panoramic windows flood the cabin with natural light during the day, while at night, carefully integrated ambient lighting creates a calm and luxurious atmosphere. Seating in the 2026 Prevost H3-45 is designed with long-distance travel in mind. The seats are ergonomically shaped, offering excellent lumbar support, plush cushioning, and adjustable positions. Depending on the configuration, seats can include features like recline, leg rests, heating, ventilation, and even massage functions. The spacing between rows is generous, ensuring that every passenger enjoys ample legroom, even on extended trips. Climate control is another area where the H3-45 excels. The advanced HVAC system is engineered to maintain consistent temperature throughout the entire cabin, regardless of outside conditions. Multiple zones allow personalized comfort, ensuring that every passenger feels just right. The system operates quietly and efficiently, which is especially important during long highway drives when noise fatigue can become an issue. When it comes to features, the 2026 Prevost H3-45 is packed with technology designed to enhance both passenger experience and driver confidence. The infotainment systems can be customized depending on the build, but typically include large displays, premium audio systems, connectivity options, and multimedia controls. Passengers can enjoy movies, music, and real-time information, turning travel time into entertainment time. The driver's area is equally impressive. The cockpit is thoughtfully laid out, with intuitive controls, clear instrumentation, and excellent visibility. Advanced driver assistance systems help reduce fatigue and increase safety. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane monitoring, collision mitigation systems, and stability control all work together to provide a smooth and secure driving experience. Despite its size, the H3-45 feels surprisingly manageable on the road thanks to precise steering and a well-balanced chassis. Under the hood, the 2026 Prevost H3-45 is powered by a robust and reliable diesel engine, delivering strong torque and smooth acceleration. This powertrain is designed for durability and efficiency, capable of handling steep inclines, long highway stretches, and heavy loads with ease. The suspension system plays a major role in ride quality, absorbing road imperfections and providing a stable, comfortable ride even on less than perfect surfaces. Noise insulation is another standout feature. Prevost has engineered the H3-45 to minimize road, wind, and engine noise, creating a quiet cabin environment. This makes conversations easier, music clearer, and overall travel more enjoyable. Whether you are crossing cities or countries, the sense of calm inside the coach remains consistent. Storage and practicality are not overlooked. Inside the cabin, overhead compartments and integrated storage solutions keep personal items organized and easily accessible. Everything feels thoughtfully placed, reflecting the premium nature of the vehicle. Lighting, materials, and finishes all come together to create a refined and durable interior that can withstand years of use while still looking elevated. Safety is a core focus of the 2026 Prevost H3-45. The structure is built with high-strength materials designed to protect occupants in the event of an accident. Advanced braking systems, electronic stability programs, and comprehensive monitoring systems work behind the scenes to ensure maximum control and safety at all times. This is a vehicle designed not only for luxury, but for peace of mind. In summary, the 2026 Prevost H3-45 is a benchmark in luxury coach design. Its spacious interior, advanced features, exceptional ride quality, and proven reliability make it one of the most desirable platforms in its class. Whether used as a high-end motorhome base, executive transport, or premium tour coach, it delivers an unmatched travel experience that few vehicles can rival.